I made slime. You know how to make this?
I show you.
Wait. I need a little glue. Only a little. Only a little, guys. Only a little. I need a little. Only a little. This is the glue I have. Let's use my activator. Let's go use this. Look, I'm going to mix. I need more. Oh, this is the wrong side. Oops. More. Sorry to make it slime. What's the mix? I'm using my fingers. Oh, you made it! This is the slime activator I made. I'm gonna mix it with this one. The activator! I'm gonna clean this up. Let's go make something. Let's go. Mama, is this the school glue? Is this the school glue? I'm gonna put a little more. I think this is enough. I'm using this. Oh no! No! It's splashed! Let's go clean it up. It's a mess. Let's go pour.
That's too much.
Okay, let's go start mixing. Let's go mix it with this one again. This is the slime activator I was using. This is from Shopee one. This from Shopee. It's not kind of expensive. If you see it, ow! If you see it, you buy it na agad. I'm gonna get hot water because this is kind of almost dry. Or not. I'm gonna put it here now. Let's go play with it.
What?
What color do I make this? Wait for part 2. You see me? Can you see me? How about now? How about